So there are, of course, many, many Irish success stories in Britain. This focus tonight, though, is not on what we would call the success stories. This is on what I have termed unconsidered people. They were not forgotten. They were never forgotten by their families or their communities, those who left in the 50s, but they were unconsidered. And that's quite a significant difference. Joe Lee, for example, the historian, wrote that in no other country was emigration such a necessary prerequisite for the maintenance of social order, that if the 500,000 people who left these shores in the 1950s hadn't left, there would have been a great deal of social unrest because of very, very poor economic conditions, unemployment, and a fairly suffocating society.